Hi everyone.
My name is Daniel today. I am going to share with you about my running habit.
I started running in 20 when I was a freshman in college. At that time, I saw all my friends running, so I wanted to try it too. So I started running every morning. At first, I ran very slowly and tired, but I still persevered to run regularly every day. After a while, I felt more energetic and my spirit was also refreshed. I started to enjoy running and decided to keep this habit until now. Every morning, I usually wake up early at 5 o'clock to go for a run. I run in the park near my house, which has fresh and cool air.
I usually run for about 30 minutes at a moderate pace.
The feeling of running is amazing.
I feel like I'm immersed in nature,
breathing in fresh air and admiring the scenery around me. I also feel my body is healthier and my spirit is refreshed. Running brings me many benefits, both physically and mentally.
Physically, running helps me to lose weight.
Running is a great way to lose weight and keep in shape. Improve cardiovascular health. Running helps to improve cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart disease.
I increase muscle strength.
Running helps to increase muscle strength, especially leg muscles.
Improve bone health.
Running helps to increase bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Mentally, running helps me reduce stress. Running helps to release an IMS, a hormone that helps to reduce stress and improve mood. Improve sleep. Running helps to improve sleep quality.
I increase self-confidence.
Running helps to boost self-esteem and confidence. I really enjoy my running habit. I think it is a very good habit for both physical and mental health. I hope you will also try running and feel the great benefits. It brings some memorable memories. About my running habit. When I first started running, I once ran too hard and was in pain. But thanks to perseverance and effort,
I overcame that difficulty
and continue to maintain my running habit. I once participated in a running competition and achieved a good result. It was a very memorable memory for me. I once met and made friends with many
people who love running through running clubs. These friends have helped me to have more motivation to maintain my running habit.
Tips for beginners. If you are a beginner, I have some tips for you as follows. Start slowly with moderate speed and running time. You should warm up well before running and stretch after running. Drink plenty of water before, during and after running. Wear appropriate clothes and shoes when running. Listen to your body. You will love running like when necessary. I believe that if you persevere and strive,